In this video, I'll show you how to activate Scotia Online Banking. If you find this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Alright, open up any web browser. If you're on a mobile device or PC or laptop, it's the same thing. So open up your web browser, head on over to Google and type in Scotia Online Banking. And then click onto Personal Banking, Scotia Bank Canada. And this is the official website from scotiabank.com. So you're going to head over to the official website here. And now what you want to do is accept all. And then at the top here, you've got a sign in button. So go ahead and click in sign in. And give this a few moments to load. And then once you're here, you've got an option to log in and that. So, but because we need to activate it, we can't use this yet. So scroll down and near the bottom of the page here, it says don't have a username or password. So click on set them up now. And now on this page here is where you want to select your account type that you've got. So if it's a credit card, Scotia debit card, etc., click on the one that you've got, and then click on the enter the card number here, and then click on continue and follow the prompts to set up and activate your Scotia Online Banking account. And then once you've done the process, you'll have a login and a username and a password to log in.